Hi gang, No Pro here with another Emcomm Systems Training video. This will actually be the introduction to this series. If you're involved in the Emcomm world, then you're a group of specially designated individuals that will be providing contingency communications to your served agency. You will supplement and/or replace normal communications tools when those systems have been significantly degraded or are unavailable. The intent of these videos is to introduce you to new items in the market and to share some insight as to how my friends and I deploy in the field. Specifically, I want to highlight Emcomm related equipment and various deployment options. The title of this series is Emcomm Systems Training Videos. Let's break that down. Emcomm, emergency communications, deployable communications assets. That makes it temporary in nature. Because of that, you'll be using these systems in varied, unfamiliar, and often unforgiving environments. As such, your systems may be less safe than they otherwise would be. You need to use common sense when deploying these items, especially when you have limited time and are in adverse conditions. Before you deploy something, stop, look around, see if it'll be safe. You may need to literally step back and look at the big picture. That clearing may look ideal to raise an antenna mast, but are there power lines above it that you didn't notice? That could really ruin your day. I live in sunny Southern California. A lot of the time when I'm setting up, it's sunny and calm out. I don't need the sandbagging and guying that I would otherwise. I may not go into detail on that in my videos, but you should. Systems. That word is defined as a series of connected things or parts formed into a complex whole. As we go through the equipment, you'll see that I am showing you a system of equipment. That is modularity. You don't need to bring a truckload of equipment to every event. You need to stop and analyze the event and bring with you only those items that you need. Remember, you very well may be deployed in a helicopter and can only bring the equipment that can sit in your lap. You've got to be smart about this. Now we'll be going over different modular equipment components. So sit back and enjoy. I hope you learned something from this. If you have any constructive questions or comments, please feel free to reach out to me. This is Christopher, No Pro. Have a good day and be safe out there.